Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question is 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Divide by 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. This is the wrong answer. There's a shortcut for questions like this. First, write the number 9 as it is, change the division to multiplication, and then reverse the next number, so it becomes 1 over 3. We'll convert the division to multiplication, transform the 9 into the fraction 1 over 9, then again convert the division to multiplication, and transform the 3 into the fraction 1 over 3. 9 cancels out with 9. Now we have 1 over 3 times this other 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 equals 1 over 9. And that is the correct right answer.